things you can do in order to manage incontinence. Incontinence does not only affect the elderly. This is an annoying and irritating problem that can embarrass a person whether at home or out and about. Unwanted leaks can lead people to be isolated in their homes in fear of embarrassment. People with incontinence can lose their self-confidence and it can result in emotional disorders in children. Women who have had multiple pregnancies may experience incontinence easily. Athletes who are running may also develop signs of incontinence because they are prone to having a sensitive bladder. Though these signs may seem difficult to treat, there are things you can do in order to manage this problem. First thing you must do is to get a medical diagnosis. The doctor will give you a test in order to find out what is wrong with your bladder and what causing the lack of control. The doctor will be the one to decide whether you need medication or surgery. It is important to find out how serious the problem is and discuss your options in respect to surgery. You can ask your doctor for further details, and he will explain it to you. There are some exercises that you can do at home to improve your bladder's strength and ability to retain urine. By practicing Kegel exercises you will strengthen the pelvic floor and bladder walls in your body. Most women who have incontinence reported that they have regained bladder control just by doing these exercises. If you do not have signs of incontinence, you can practice Kegel exercises to prevent onset. Also, do the exercises if you feel that the signs of incontinence are coming back. Some people might be eligible for medication in order to improve their bladder control. This works well with younger patients and those who have little or no other health problems. You can find out if you are qualified if you to ask your doctor. Never hesitate to consult a doctor out of embarrassment as they see this kind of thing on a regular basis. If you can stop drinking fluids after 6 p.m. you may experience less leakage overnight. If you plan to go out somewhere for a long period of time, you should not drink a lot of water before leaving the house. If you are staying at home, you should not hesitate to drink water because you will need it. It is important to keep your fluid intake up to the recommended amount of 2 liters a day. Reducing fluid intake can actually worsen incontinence symptoms and will encourage bladder infections. You can wear special padding if you are going to need it. Incontinence products and pads can be bought in pharmacies, supermarkets, and drugstores. You can wear pads at any time of the day, especially when you feel that you are prone to leakage, whether you are in the public place or at home. By following these steps, you may be able to control incontinence when the signs and symptoms are present. Remember that it is important to take these control measures seriously in order for you to prevent incontinence from happening. Collagen-based products have been used for many centuries for therapeutic purposes and are recognized as safe components of pharmaceuticals and foods by the Food and Drug Administration Center for Food Safety and Nutrition.